I tell you what, this motherfucking pork chop good as hell. I tell you what. That motherfucker good, huh? And that bitch hot off the black top. This bug gonna fuck up my video watch. Told you. I didn't get on video, we done. Flew into my pork chop. I'm done here. I'm finna go give it to my boy. Yeah, I'm gonna go with me. I just gotta be patient. Here go my dog. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. 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 Sit down. Blue, sit down. Sit down. Here. Like that, the first one gone. Here. Bear. Bear. Here. Come here. You just want to put pork chop on them. The grease and everything. That'll freshen them up. He thinks he can do this all damn time. My boy. Look, he finna cry like crybaby. Watch. Come on, Blue. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, he on double wire, but don't get that fucked up. He'll break that bitch. He's broken a couple chains, but don't get that low wire fucked up. He'll break that bitch if you really want to. Yeah. Come on, Blue. Come on. Come on. Come on. Spoiled motherfucker, huh?